Welcome to this video on 3D CAD modeling of this engine, guys. In this video we will be modeling this piston ring and this pin as well. So let's begin. So click on part and click OK. First we are going to model the piston ring. Make sure that you have selected mmgs as units and then change the background to plain white for better visualization. Then select your top plane and click on sketch. After that, select circle and create a circle at this origin and create another circle which will be the bigger one. Now select smart dimensioning tool and here specify the diameter for this smaller circle as 79 millimeter and specify the diameter for the larger circle as 85 millimeter. After that we have to extrude it. For that, go to features and here select extruded boss base. Now here we have to specify the height, which is 4.3, or you can see the thickness is 4.3. Now let's assign it some appearance, some color. So I am applying this one. Now we have to save it. So click on file, click on save as, and here save this file as O-ring, or you can save this file as piston ring. It's up to you. And after that, click on save button. Now simply cross this window and open a new part file. So click on part and click OK. And after that, change the background to plain white for better visualization. Make sure that you have selected mmgs, which are millimeters, as units. After that, click on top plane and click on sketch. This time we are going to make the piston shaft. So create a circle and here specify the diameter for it, which I am specifying as 33.8. And after that, go to features, select extruded boss base, and here we have to specify the height, or you can say the length of this shaft, which is 82 millimeter, and after that check this box. Okay, now here in fillets drop down, select chamfer. Okay, so 45 degree is fine. We only have to change this length, which is 2 millimeter, and after that we need to select the corners of this shaft, so this one and this one, and after that click OK or check this box. Now we have to specify any appearance which we like. So in metal I am specifying chromium plate. Okay, so let me apply the appearance again so that it can be applied on the whole part. Now we have to save this part, so click on file, click on save as, and simply type the name as shaft. So that's all for this video, guys. See you in the next video.